Hello, how are you? I am Samir. Today I will tell you about demonstrative pronoun, this, and these. This and these can be used to indicate something those are unfamiliar to you and close to you. This indicates a particular thing that must be unknown to you and to know about that. This will help you. These indicate a group of things those are also unfamiliar to you. If you want to know about those, so these will help you. Suppose you are walking with your friend on the road. While walking, an animal is before you and you do not know what exactly this is, but friend knows what is the name of that animal. So now what you should do? You should ask question to your friend, what is this? And your friend will answer that this is a dog. By this, you came to know about an unknown thing.
I see.
Let me give an example for these. One day, you came from Dhaka to your village's house for traveling. After being young, like first time, as you came, you know nothing about your village. In order to know, you have to ask to those who will guide you at the time of traveling. In Sunday's evening, you got out of your home for traveling with your guider. After gone something far, you saw a group of animals. In order to know what those are, you should question to your guider that what are these? At that time, your guider will answer that these are animals. So you can use these like this traveler when you do not know something. I hope you understood about how this and these are to be used. That the using of and those in the sentence will be told in next video. In order to see, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you in next video.
Okay, sir. I am interested to see that video, so I am waiting. Bye.